Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning into this video. This video is all about the best updates that have rolled out for Performance Max over the past couple months. One of the most important updates in Performance Max is the option of brand exclusion. In the beginning, this could only be done via Google Ad support. First of all, a lot of people didn't know about this, and for the people who did, depending on the tier or location of their account, it could be weeks before they heard something back. Brand exclusion option right in the campaign settings was rolled out for all advertisers in June. If you're wondering why advertisers would want to exclude brand terms, that's a topic for a different video, but in general, advertisers want to separate their branded campaigns and their non-branded campaigns. While you're setting up your campaign, you'll have to open more settings and you can find brand exclusions right there. You will be prompted to create a brand list if you don't have one yet. And besides just your brand name, you can add things like the names of your products here. Speaking of negative targeting and exclusions, there is now a form available where you can request Google to make modifications to your Performance Max campaign that are not available in the front end settings of the campaign. I have tried and tried, but I cannot find this form in the Help Center. Typically, you can only get this form if you contact Google support, explain your request, and wait for an agent to send you the form. For your convenience, you can find this form in the description of this video and the pinned comment. Something else that's new under more settings is page feeds. Page feeds are typically used in DSA or dynamic search ads campaigns. Google also launched an option to upgrade your DSA campaigns to Performance Max. Now, most people believe that dynamic search ads are going to be phased out in favor of Performance Max. If you still want to use DSA, I do have a video walking you through all the steps. When Performance Max launched, you could only set 5 short headlines. This has since been increased to 15, of which 3 are required. Long headlines are still kept at 5. After a successful beta, the automatically created assets feature was rolled out to all advertisers this summer. URL expansion is a much beloved feature in advertising, and you can opt into this when you opt into text assets, but not the other way around. URLs you'll generally want to exclude are things like your About page or your Policy page. There have been lots of other updates such as store sales bidding, which has some hefty eligibility requirements, continuous updates to the options under signals, and Google released its own script for Performance Max reporting. Google has also published a new best practices article in August 2023. So that's my roundup of the most important updates to PMax over the summer of 2023. If you have any questions about them or think I missed a significant update, please let me know down below in the comments. Thanks for watching, happy advertising, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos to help you on your digital marketing journey.